For decades, companies try to improve the way we secure our doors, from making our locks smarter, more convenient, and safer. Our lock has taken years of research and development, and we combined features in all the popular smart locks and made it more advanced. From the sleek, seamless design of the solid zinc alloy build to the LED panel that houses the world's advanced security features. This is the Nuki Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by PinGenie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. The digits rotate every time a code is entered, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. Access codes and fingerprints are just the beginning. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Nuki's patent-pending offline access code feature, it does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Nuki Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Nuki, come home secure, essential to every household.
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
What was good about Nuki is now even better. We asked our community and learned from experience. The result is the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. Precision engineered in Europe, it can still be installed in less than 3 minutes. And now it's also compatible with knob and oval cylinders. One of the Nuki users' commonest wishes was the facility of an access code. So now there's the Nuki keypad. Together with the phone, Nuki thus offers the perfect solution for every application. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, Nuki is also the most flexible smart lock in Europe when it comes to integration in existing smart home systems. It communicates with all smart speakers, and not forgetting how brilliantly it can interact with Apple HomeKit. Yet another of our community's big wishes fulfilled. A lot has also happened under the hood. The faster processor has yielded a roughly threefold increase in speed of communication with the Smart Lock. Bluetooth 5 significantly increases range and improves the auto unlock experience. And regarding flexibility, it's now possible to assign up to 200 access permissions. Also revolutionary, the new door sensor. With this, the Nuki Smart Lock reports not only the status of the lock mechanism, but also that of the door. Turn your smartphone into a key, make your door lock smart with the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. One smart lock for all.
This is Ultraloq UL300, a multiple locking smart lock with 6-in-1 keyless entry for maximum security. It has features like Fingerprint ID, an anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter your security code embedded in a random group of numbers. For a quick tap entry, you can use a key fob, perfect for kids and the elderly. A multiple locking smart lock built to make everyday life safer. With Ultraloq Bridge, you can control it all remotely on the app. Share temporary access codes to Airbnb guests. Manage and view logs of who has entered from anywhere you are. And you can set your Ultraloq UL300 to different levels of security, depending on your needs. For extra security, enable the two-factor authentication for peace of mind. An intuitive display and voice assist during programming make advanced security simple, and a battery life that will last for up to 1 year. It works with IFTTT, and you can use voice commands with your smart speaker. With Ultraloq UL300, you'll never be locked out. Just use the backup keys or an external battery. Ultraloq UL300, the most powerful multi-point smart lock.
Here at WYZE, we take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create WYZELoq, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night, and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. WYZELoq fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with WYZELoq, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door, and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed, because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. At only $99, you'll be able to secure your entire home for less than shoeing a horse. WYZELoq. Now you're living in the future.